In this video, we're diving into the best dev tools this week, open source projects that are making developers' lives smarter, faster, and more powerful. From fingerprinting users without cookies to building iOS apps without Xcode, and even hosting your own Google Drive-style cloud, this list is packed with game-changing tools you can start using today. If you're a developer looking to upgrade your workflow, speed up your builds, or level up your toolkit, you're in the right place. Let's explore these trending tools that are redefining development in 2025.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, FingerprintJS, the invisible ID that stays with you, even in incognito. Imagine visiting a website in incognito mode, clearing your cookies, or using a VPN, and still being recognized as the same user. That's the power of FingerprintJS, an open-source JavaScript library that generates a unique identifier for every browser using subtle, hard-to-fake signals. What makes FingerprintJS truly unique is its ability to work entirely on the client side, without relying on cookies, local storage, or server-side tracking. It collects over a dozen browser attributes, like screen resolution, installed fonts, audio stack behavior, and even tiny variations in canvas rendering, to create a consistent fingerprint. This fingerprint remains stable across sessions, even in private browsing modes, making it incredibly useful for fraud detection, analytics, and personalization. Unlike traditional tracking methods, FingerprintJS can identify users even when they actively try to hide, such as by using incognito mode or clearing browser data. It's also lightweight and easy to integrate, with just a few lines of code needed to start generating visitor IDs. For developers and businesses looking for a more robust solution, FingerprintJS offers a commercial version called Fingerprint Pro, which enhances accuracy by combining client-side data with server-side analysis, achieving up to 99.5% identification accuracy. But even the open-source version provides a powerful, privacy-respecting way to understand and serve your users better. In short, FingerprintJS is a game-changer for web developers seeking reliable user identification without invasive tracking methods. It's a smart, subtle, and effective tool that works where others fail. Project number 2, xtool. Build iOS apps without Xcode, anywhere. Imagine developing iOS apps on Linux or Windows without ever opening Xcode. That's the groundbreaking promise of xtool, an open-source, cross-platform tool that redefines iOS development by eliminating the need for macOS-exclusive software. What sets xtool apart is its ability to replicate essential Xcode functionalities across different operating systems. It allows developers to build, sign, and install iOS apps using Swift Package Manager, SwiftPM, on Linux, Windows, and macOS. This cross-platform capability is a game-changer, especially for developers who prefer or are limited to non-macOS environments. One of xtool's standout features is its seamless integration with Apple Developer Services. It enables programmatic interaction for tasks like managing certificates and provisioning profiles, streamlining the development process. Additionally, xtool supports building for iOS simulators, allowing developers to test their applications without physical devices. The tool's efficiency is notable. It can build and install apps in under a second, significantly faster than traditional Xcode builds. This speed enhances productivity and accelerates the development cycle. While xtool is a powerful alternative to Xcode, it's important to note that it currently doesn't support deploying builds to App Store Connect. However, for developers looking to build and test iOS apps outside the macOS ecosystem, xtool offers an unprecedented level of flexibility and freedom. In essence, xtool democratizes iOS development, breaking down the barriers imposed by platform exclusivity and opening new possibilities for developers worldwide. Project number 3, Remix Icon, the ultimate open-source icon library for designers and developers. In the realm of digital design, consistency and clarity are paramount. Remix Icon stands out by providing over 3,000 meticulously designed icons that maintain a uniform aesthetic across various applications. What sets Remix Icon apart is its commitment to a neutral style. Each icon is crafted on a 24 by 24 grid, ensuring pixel-perfect alignment and scalability. The library offers both outlined and filled styles, allowing designers to maintain visual harmony while having the flexibility to choose the style that best fits their project. Ease of use is another hallmark of Remix Icon. Designers can effortlessly integrate icons into their workflow by copying SVGs directly into tools like Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD, and Affinity Designer. For developers, the library provides seamless integration through NPM packages and CDN links, supporting frameworks such as React, Vue, and Svelte. Remix Icon's open-source nature, under the Apache License 2.0, means it's free for both personal and commercial use, without any licensing hassles. In summary, Remix Icon is more than just an icon set. It's a thoughtfully designed tool that brings consistency, flexibility, and ease of use to the forefront of digital design. Whether you're crafting a user interface, developing a web application, or designing a mobile app, Remix Icon provides the visual language to communicate effectively and beautifully. Project number 4, Vercel Platform Starter Kit. Build multi-tenant SaaS apps with ease. Imagine launching a platform like Hashnode or Super.so, where each user gets their own branded site, complete with custom domains, personalized content, and a unified backend. The Vercel Platform Starter Kit makes this possible. It's a full-stack Next.js template designed to help developers build multi-tenant applications effortlessly, offering features like custom subdomain routing, tenant-specific content, and shared components across tenants. What sets this starter kit apart is its seamless integration of multi-tenancy with custom domain support. Utilizing Vercel's Domains API, developers can programmatically assign unlimited custom domains and subdomains to users, complete with automatic SSL certification. This eliminates the need for manual DNS configurations or complex server setups, streamlining the process of scaling your application. The architecture leverages Next.js 15 with the app router, React 19, and Redis for efficient data storage. Tailwind CSS4 ensures responsive and modern styling, while Shat/UI provides a cohesive design system. The middleware intelligently detects subdomains across various environments, ensuring that each tenant's content is served correctly, whether in local development, production, or Vercel preview deployments. Additionally, the starter kit includes an admin interface for managing tenants, support for local development with subdomains, and compatibility with Vercel's preview deployments. This comprehensive setup allows developers to focus on building unique features for their platform without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. In essence, the Vercel Platform Starter Kit empowers developers to build scalable, customizable, and efficient multi-tenant applications, reducing development time and complexity. Whether you're creating a blogging platform, a SaaS product, or any service requiring multi-tenancy, this starter kit provides the tools and architecture to bring your vision to life. Project number 5, Nimbus, the open-source cloud storage alternative. Imagine having your own cloud storage service that feels just like Google Drive, but without the privacy concerns, storage limits, or monthly fees. That's exactly what Nimbus offers. It's an open-source project that lets you host your own file storage platform, giving you full control over your data and how it's accessed. What sets Nimbus apart is its developer-friendly architecture. Built with modern tools like TypeScript, Bun, and PostgreSQL, it's designed for speed and scalability. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a team, setting up Nimbus is straightforward. With Docker support, you can get your storage solution up and running in minutes, making it ideal for both personal use and enterprise deployment. Another standout feature is its modular design. Nimbus is structured to be extensible, allowing developers to add custom features or integrate with other services seamlessly. This flexibility means you can tailor the platform to fit your specific needs, whether that's adding new authentication methods, integrating with third-party apps, or customizing the user interface. Moreover, Nimbus emphasizes privacy and data ownership. Unlike commercial cloud services that may scan your files or use your data for advertising, Nimbus ensures that your information stays private. You decide where your data is stored and who has access to it, providing peace of mind for users concerned about data security. In essence, Nimbus isn't just a cloud storage solution. It's a platform that empowers you to take control of your digital assets. For developers and privacy-conscious users alike, Nimbus offers a compelling alternative to mainstream cloud services. Project number 6, Analog, the open-source calendar that changes everything. Imagine a calendar that's not just a static grid of dates, but a dynamic, customizable workspace tailored to your workflow. That's what Analog offers, an open-source calendar platform designed for developers and power users who seek more than traditional scheduling tools. What sets Analog apart is its developer-centric architecture. Built with modern technologies like Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS, it provides a robust foundation for customization and scalability. The use of Bun as the runtime and package manager ensures lightning-fast performance, while Drizzle ORM with PostgreSQL offers efficient and type-safe database interactions. Analog's modular design is another standout feature. It employs a monorepo structure, facilitating seamless integration of various packages and components. This setup allows developers to easily extend functionality, whether it's adding new features or integrating third-party services. The inclusion of TRPC and TanStack query further enhances data fetching and state management, making the development experience smooth and intuitive. Moreover, Analog emphasizes user privacy and control. By enabling self-hosting, users can maintain complete ownership of their data, a significant advantage over many proprietary calendar solutions. The integration with BetterAuth for Google OAuth ensures secure and straightforward authentication processes. In essence, Analog isn't just a calendar, it's a flexible platform that adapts to your needs, offering a blend of performance, customization, and control. Whether you're managing personal tasks or coordinating a team's schedule, Analog provides the tools to craft a calendar experience. Project number 7, get-tsconfig, the zero-dependency tsconfig.json parser that just works. If you're building TypeScript tooling, you've probably wrestled with tsconfig.json files. They're not always valid JSON, they can extend other configs, and they often include tricky features like comments and trailing commas. That's where get-tsconfig comes in, a tiny, zero-dependency parser that handles all of this with ease. What makes get-tsconfig truly unique is that it doesn't rely on the TypeScript compiler at all. That's right, it's a pure JavaScript solution that weighs just 7 KB minified and gypped, yet it's fully tested against TypeScript's own behavior. This means you can parse and resolve tsconfig.json files in any JavaScript environment, even outside of a TypeScript project. It's also incredibly forgiving. Unlike strict JSON parsers, get-tsconfig supports comments and dangling commas, just like the TypeScript compiler does. It also resolves extends fields, so it can merge configurations from base files automatically, no manual merging needed. Another standout feature is its fully typed output. Even though it doesn't use TypeScript internally, it returns a complete, validated config object that you can use directly in your tools or editors. It even throws helpful errors if the config is malformed, making debugging a breeze. In short, get-tsconfig is the perfect tool for anyone building TypeScript-aware tools, from linters and bundlers to editors and CI pipelines. It's fast, lightweight, and handles all the quirks of tsconfig.json without requiring the full TypeScript compiler. If you want to parse TypeScript configs the smart way, this is the tool to use. That wraps up our look at the best dev tools this week. Whether you're building for the web, iOS, or just organizing your workflow, these tools are sure to elevate your projects. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try, or if you want a deep dive into any of them. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more weekly dev tools, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep building, keep learning, and keep exploring the open source world.